Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your digital signature on the Adobe Fill and Sign application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the document that you have uploaded. To upload your documents in the application, you just have to tap on select a form to fill out, and you can choose the way that you would like to upload it. And when you have your document, to place your signature on it, you just have to tap on this signature icon on the bottom, and when you tap on it, here is going to appear your signature if you have already uploaded it, and you can place it anywhere on the document. And by tapping on done, it's going to sign it with your digital signature. If you did not create a signature yet, you just have to tap on create signature, and the signature creation tool is going to appear, where you can either upload a signature from a photo, or you can create a photo right now, or you can create your signature here. Let's say just ask me done, and the new signature is here, as you can see, and you can place it anywhere you want. And now the document is signed twice. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.